So this thing is a Shaw Pep-P-Pal. It's pretty cool. It's kind of big. It's got all these disc gangs on it. Come with a plow. This is my shadow. The coolest part about this I don't know how good that works in the field. I could see myself really killing some plants. There's your belt engage. The whole dang motor flops back and forth. It's got really nice tires with no dry rot. A big flywheel on one of these NPR6 Briggs. It looks like with a little bit of effort I could get her to run. This is pretty cool. I've never seen one of these in person before. I don't know how good it'd work or anything like that, but I like it. It's got a good look to it.